Welcome to Inside Factory Walls. We now begin an exclusive journey into the highly secure world of national currency production, revealing untold secrets. Behind these fortified walls lies a highly secretive operation, crucial for every nation's economic stability. Access is strictly controlled. Today, our focus is the Vietnamese 500 Vietnamese Dongs polymer banknote, a symbol of national value and advanced anti-counterfeiting technology. The journey begins with specialized polymer, chosen for its durability and inherent security advantages over traditional paper currency materials. These pristine polymer pellets are fundamental building blocks, carefully selected for their unique properties, ensuring the banknote's longevity. Molten polymer is precisely extruded, forming continuous, faultless sheets. This initial stage demands absolute precision for perfect results. During this crucial phase, microscopic security threads are embedded directly into the polymer matrix, providing an early layer of protection. Distinct transparent windows and subtle watermarks are meticulously integrated, ensuring each banknote possesses unique, verifiable security features. An opaque layer is precisely applied, creating a perfect canvas for the intricate designs and vibrant colors that will soon adorn the currency. Every blank polymer sheet undergoes rigorous automated inspection, guaranteeing that only perfect foundations proceed to the complex printing phases. The printing journey commences as polymer sheets enter sophisticated offset presses, where the foundational colors and intricate background patterns are applied. High-speed offset printing meticulously lays down the initial layers, creating a complex background artwork and subtle security patterns with incredible accuracy. Observe the intricate background patterns, a testament to the offset
Advanced camera and computer systems continuously monitor to ensure perfect color accuracy and flawless alignment of each printing layer.
Advanced optical systems constantly monitor every sheet, guaranteeing perfect alignment and color fidelity across all layers. The initial offset layers begin to reveal the banknote's aesthetic foundation, establishing the base for all subsequent, more complex security features. Even with automation, human expertise remains vital. Technicians meticulously inspect samples, ensuring clear consistency and print quality. Multiple offset units work in harmony, progressively building up the banknote's complex visual design through successive, precisely applied print layers. With offset printing complete, the sheets now bear the intricate background, forming a solid aesthetic and security base for further enhancements. Next, the sheets are prepared for intaglio printing, a specialized process that creates the banknote's unique tactile and raised features. Intaglio presses apply immense pressure, transferring ink from engraved plates, resulting in the characteristic raised texture that defines authentic currency. Observe the intricate raised ink details, such as the portrait and national emblem, providing a distinctive tactile experience and visual depth. The unmistakable feel of raised intaglio ink is a primary security feature, easily verifiable by touch, making counterfeiting extremely difficult. Intaglio printing also produces incredibly fine lines and patterns, so minute that they are almost impossible to replicate without specialized equipment. Each intaglio feature undergoes rigorous inspection for depth and sharpness, ensuring consistent quality and robust anti-counterfeiting effectiveness. Some features require multiple intaglio passes, building up layers of ink to achieve unique textures and subtle three-dimensional visual effects. The intaglio stage is a masterpiece of engineering, transforming flat polymer sheets into tactile works of art, imbued with security. Next, advanced security inks are applied. Observe the mesmerizing color-shifting ink, a dynamic feature that changes hue with angle. This optical variable device provides instant authentication. Its unique shifting color is incredibly difficult for counterfeiters to replicate. UV-fluorescent inks are then applied, remaining invisible under normal light, but glowing vibrantly when exposed to ultraviolet radiation. Under UV light, hidden security elements spring to life, providing another crucial layer of authentication, easily checked by authorities. Microtext printing adds incredibly minute details, forming words or numbers that are almost impossible to discern without strong magnification. Magnification reveals these tiny, intricate characters, a hallmark of genuine currency, proving a formidable challenge for illicit reproduction. Some banknotes feature advanced optical variable devices, producing dynamic holographic images or patterns that shift with every subtle movement. The combination of these advanced inks creates a multi-layered defense against counterfeiting, making each banknote a masterpiece of security. Each banknote receives a unique serial number, precisely printed by high-speed machines, ensuring traceability and individual identification for every piece. These unique identifiers are crucial, not only for tracking but also as another layer of security, making each note distinct. Sophisticated vision systems meticulously verify every serial number, guaranteeing no duplicates exist and maintaining the integrity of the entire printing. With all printing and numbering complete, the sheets are now masterpieces of security, ready to be transformed into individual banknotes. High-precision cutting machines meticulously separate the large sheets into individual banknotes, each perfectly sized and ready for inspection. As individual notes emerge, they are carefully collected and stacked, preparing them for the rigorous quality control that follows. Automated sorting systems efficiently organize the newly cut notes, directing them towards the next crucial phase, comprehensive quality assurance. Waste reduction is vital. Excess polymer trim is meticulously collected and prepared for recycling, minimizing environmental impact effectively. Preliminary bundles are formed, each containing a precise count of banknotes, a critical step before their final, rigorous quality checks. Even with advanced machinery, human oversight provides an essential layer of quality control, catching any immediately visible imperfections. AI-powered scanners now take center stage, meticulously inspecting every single banknote for even the slightest imperfection, ensuring absolute flawlessness. These intelligent systems analyze every detail, from color consistency to microtext integrity, identifying any deviation from the rigorous standards. Any banknote failing this stringent AI inspection is immediately and automatically removed, preventing imperfect currency from entering circulation. This dual-path system efficiently segregates perfect notes from those with flaws, maintaining the highest possible quality standards effortlessly. Despite advanced automation, human experts perform random spot checks, providing a crucial final layer of assurance for every banknote. Under powerful magnification, these experts scrutinize microtext, ensuring that every security is executed. Banknotes undergo rigorous durability testing in controlled lab environments, ensuring they withstand daily wear, tear, and environmental challenges. Rejected banknotes are meticulously accounted for and then securely destroyed, preventing any imperfect currency from ever entering public circulation. Perfected banknotes are now counted, stacked, and precisely bundled by automated machinery, preparing them for their final journey. Each bundle is securely strapped, often with unique identifiers, guaranteeing its integrity and providing a clear order trail. These smaller bundles are then consolidated into larger, more manageable bricks, optimizing them for secure, bulk transportation and storage. The banknote bricks are meticulously wrapped in tamper-evident packaging, ensuring their contents remain secure and undisturbed until their destination. Pallets loaded with these high-value packages are now prepared,
all right, bring it back
each
easy.
carefully secured and inventoried for their highly
Doors
protected
engaging.
transit.
Bay is
The
clear.
final security seals are applied, a critical step signifying the complete integrity of the currency, ready for its journey. Under heavy guard, high-value pallets are loaded into armored vehicles, initiating their secure transfer to central banking facilities. The armored convoy departs, a heavily guarded procession ensuring the safe and secure
All units,
transportation of the
package is
nation's newly
secure.
printed
Repeat,
currency.
package is secure.
Arriving at
Proceeding
its
to
destination,
deposit.
the central bank's high-security vault, the nation's financial heart, awaits the precious cargo. The currency is carefully transferred into the impenetrable vault, where it will be securely stored before distribution to the public. Inside this impregnable fortress, vast quantities of currency are meticulously organized and protected, safeguarding the nation's financial reserves. Thank you for joining Inside Factory Walls on this exclusive journey into the world of currency production. Stay curious for more untold stories.